This is a very small but my personal gift for you for 2025. This is a calendar from House of Sarvā. I wish you personally a very fantastic 2025 with a lot of happiness, health, and love. And for Arena, I wish continued growth as well as success. Thank you so much, Sindhu. And I'm so proud of you. And thank you for this gift. It means a lot to me, especially that is coming from one of my favorite students. And to have made us proud by going ahead and becoming your own boss, and you've opened House of Sarvā. Wish you all the very best. This is the second year in a row that we are receiving the keys. Thank you so much and wish you all the very welcome. Thank you so much for continuously supporting it. Beautiful it is. Congratulations. Love your work.